I'm listening. I'm waiting for.
Oh, okay. Do you know what it is? Okay. Good time to pause it, huh?
Yeah.
Like perfectly cut.
Mm-hmm.
Right at the bass drop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll put it good for you.
Can I get a large fries, fresh and hot?
Yep, large fries, anything else?
Yep, and 12 nuggets, please. Did you get that? Hello?
Hello, sorry, how many nuggets?
12?
Oh, yeah. We do 10 or 20.
Oh, 10 then.
10, yeah. What sauce are you after?
Do we want sauce?
No.
No, no sauce.
No sauce, sorry?
No, thank you.
I'll get your answer.
Didn't we do 12?
What did it? It was only like KFC and Hungry Jack's to do 10 and Nuggets did 12.
Yeah,
That's strange.
they've changed it.
But they didn't change the price. I'm gonna like
Yeah, weird.
guess that one.
Yeah.
That's the word.
5, 10, 15.
How much does it actually cost?
$14.90.
Well, then you get 10 cents.
Thanks. Bit of communication would go, not go astray, mate.
Yeah, but, you know. Chicken nuggets
And chips. Yeah.
Good.
I'll just check my sugar hot.
Yeah.
Oh, they should like in half.
Oh, that's good. That's
Yeah,
what you
that's
like.
I want.
Yeah. I have some too.
Yes, enjoy them.
It's good once in a while.
It's not very full though. Look at that.
Yeah, I know.
Oh well. Oh, that's because some of it's in the bag.
Yeah.
Oh, that's why.
You'll put it out.
Sharing with you.
That's it. You didn't mean to do that.
No, they did it. Behind me.
Oh, they did it? Why did they do it?
Yeah, good question. Because I'm slow?
Strange.
So?
Sorry.
I'll be as slow as I like.
Yeah, exactly. That's right. That's it. Nah.